Alright, video blog check everybody, Azrael here, and we are back again for another video. You're watching my YouTube channel, Features Lifestyle, Travel, Food and Tech, and also featuring the new Vivo V50 from Vivo Philippines. We are here live in Maybang Performing Theater. We got to witness the launch of the Vivo V50 na may 50 megapixel Zeiss all-main camera. Oh my God! Triple camera to, no? Na 50 megapixel. Oh my God! Ang tindi. Imagine, no? You have the main camera, the wide angle, and the macro, it's all 50 megapixel. It's the ultimate, the Zeiss all main camera na 50 megapixel. No? Very surprising ako dun. At kasi late tayo sa launching at nakita yung presentation. But I hear a cheat code na babasahin na lang natin. No? Before we do the hands-on test, let me introduce to you the tech specs ng Vivo V50. So, this is a Zeiss all-main camera. This means that triple camera siya, all 50 megapixel. Meron siyang AI Aura Light Portrait 2.0 with AI 3D Studio Lighting 2.0. Na-experience natin sa mga ibang Vivo models at kamukha nito ang aking Vivo VY28. May Aura Light din to na AI Aura Light. At ang kanyang battery specs is 6,000 mAh Blue Bolt battery with 90 watts fast charge. Okay, grabe. Hindi na nga yung fast charging, 90 watts. At ang kanyang CPU is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3. It's a mobile platform. Parang okay ito, Kasi may mga PC platform na rin din si Snapdragon. This one, they're clearing up na it's a pang mobile platform. At meron siyang Zeiss Multifocal Portrait. Hindi ko alam ano yun, but gumagamit siya ng Zeiss Cinematic Portrait Video with CIPA 4.0 DSLR level stabilization. So that's good, no? May stabilization siya. This is IP68 and IP69, dust and water resistance. And I heard parang shockproof. Shockproof din ba to? Shockproof din? Shockproof.
Comprehensive cushioning structure plus shield glass.
Shield glass. Yeah, may shield glass siya. So pwede mo siyang, pag accidentally madrop mo, it's still okay, it's still fine. At kanina na-explain, no, it has a 24GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. Also, merong ibang variant na 256GB, no? So, it's a 12GB plus 12GB extended RAM. So, it's 24GB of memory siya. So, kanina, na-introduce na rin din yung SRP, no? You can get this for a 27,999 for the 24GB and 256GB of storage. At 30,999 for the 512GB of storage. So I suggest get the 512GB na storage kasi yun yung mas maganda, mas malaking storage. And I have here yung kanyang pinakamagandang kulay. Anong pangalan ng kulay na ito ulit? Ancora Red. That's very ang ganda for Vivo V50, no?
Ano po siya? Parang shade siya
Para siyang reddish na parang maroonish, no? Parang iba yung pagka-red niya.
Ito ang pinaka-sophisticated.
Sophisticated na color. So actually, they had 3 kinds of colors, no? So I have here the black one. At meron ditong kabila is hanapin natin. Ito, parang purple siya, oh. Ganda. Sobrang ganda. So, ayan. Sa totoo lang, it says here, 50-50-50 yung rear camera. Yung front camera niya is 50 megapixel din yung front camera. Oh my God! Lahat ng camera niya, it's 50 pixel. It's a dream come true for a camera to have all of the front and back camera na 50 megapixel. I've seen other phones na may slight 50-50, dalawang camera lens na ganun, maganda yung quality. Lalo pag tatlo na, mas lalong maganda yung performance ng camera na to. So ayan, no, nandiyan nga na demo dito. At ano pa bang matututunan natin dito? 6,000 mAh of battery. Okay na rin. Tama, 6,000, no? 6,000 mAh. Black, purple, and red yung kanyang color, sabi dito. And so pwede siya pang underwater photography. Underwater photography. Wow. So it's because it's IP68 and 69. So 24 hours continuous rainfall, sabi dito, at dust water resistance. Pero pwede niyang itubog, tinubog niya. May demo kayo sa labas na pwede itubog.
Pwede po siyang ilubog 30 minutes.
30 minutes underwater.
1.5 meters.
1.5 meters. Ayan. Galing. You can also use your video underwater. Fresh water lang, huwag salt water. No? So, ano pa ba? Qualcomm, Snapdragon, sa Toyo. Oh. So, ang OS niya is FunTouch OS 15. Ayan, nakalagay dito. We're just viewing the... at may mga AI na siya, circle to search. Meron na rin din siya. 60 months smooth experience. Okay. Aba, okay, let's do a hands-on test niya while we are here. Kasi marami pang nagamit ang unit na to. We got a chance to get yung pinakamagandang color niya, Ancora Red. Tama. Tama ba? Ancora Red? Ancora? Ancora Red. Ganda pag ginagano mo. Ganda ng kulay niya pag natamaan siya ng araw. At compared sa aking Y28, ayan, tsura niya, okay ba? Ayan. Ayan. Sana makapag X200 na tayo next time. Alright, let's do a hands-on test para ma-walk through natin what's inside and how to use this Vivo V50. All main camera and front camera, 50 megapixel siya. Alright, yun ang magandang ibenta, no? Alright, let's do this. Hands-on na tayo. Alright, here's the Ancora Red na Vivo V50. Finally, no? So, everything is all red here sa venue, no? So, ganda niya, grabe. Ganda ng kulay niya. At let's check out the phone. Here's the Vivo logo. Here's the Aura Light, AI Aura Light. And here's the yung kanyang camera. So, I'd say, anong natin, triple camera ba yung rear niya?
No.
Dalawa lang. Kasi yung main kasi yung ano niya. So, mali pala ako kanina. Sabi ko, triple camera. So, it's a dual camera pala na 50 megapixel. And yung kanyang front camera, it's 50 megapixel. I think I need to edit out on that video, no? At ito yung tsura niya. Malaki-laki yung kanyang lens. Grabe, ang ganda. Taas, there's I think, the microphone. There's a little speaker yata dito. Sa left side is very smooth and clean. Some speakers, microphones, USB Type-C, tsaka yung SIM tray niya, nandito yung SIM tray. Sa right side, it's the volume at tsaka yung power button niya. So, ito yung kaninang the information. Tama nga, it's a dual camera pala siya. And all three cameras, from the front to the rear, it's 50 megapixel. So, check na natin. Let's do and I guess I'm handling the 512 gigabyte. Let's check out the camera. No? So, wala tayong sample dito to take photos. No? So, this is the 1X. And this is the 0.6X. Grabe, ganda ng quality. Yung kitang-kita dito. And here's the 2X. Up to 20X yung kanyang camera performance. For the video, sa selfie. For the selfie, and this is the 50 megapixel. Oh my God. Portrait pa lang yan for photo. 0.X and 2X. Uy, galing. Alright, ganda. And for video, portrait niya ganun din. Portrait niya is, may 0.8X yung kanyang yung portrait niya sa selfie. No? That is nice. For the portrait mode naman, 50 megapixel yung, 50 millimeter yung equivalent niya. Okay. Nagiging DSLR style na siya pag naka-rear camera sa portrait mode. For the video, it's 0.6X to 1X to 2X up to 10X lang yung kanyang video. At for the front camera, uy, grabe. Merong 0.X, 1X, and 2X up to hanggang 2X lang. So, check natin, no? If I'm recording at 0.X, makapag-change pa tayo. Ay, hindi, zino-zoom na lang yan. But kapag naka 1X ako, I can go to 0.X. Mas maganda pag 1X ka. So, take note of that. Huwag kayo magpa-0.X tapos 1X kasi parang zino-zoom lang niya yung photo. I'm not sure kung ganun, no? So, other operation ng kanyang features ng camera niya is may night mode, portrait mode, photo mode, video mode, micro movie. I think makakagawa ka ng movie yata nito, no? For more, you had high resolution for photography, panoramic, ultra HD, super moon for moon photography, time-lapse, slow-mo, astrophotography. Wow. I think meron tong I guess, slow shutter. At Pro, Or ano yan, parang long exposure shot. Snapshot, food, underwater. Underwater, very dual video. Siguro kung underwater photography, oh my God. So you can, oh I've seen this kind of style, no? At you can do photography using the, itong volume rocker niya, no? Take photo up, yung down is video. Ayan, stop. Hindi ko alam bakit may turn off screen. Turn off screen. Oh, okay. Okay. So, oy, okay yun na. Pag nag-underwater shot ka, pwede mo i-off yung screen. Oh, that's very interesting, no? So, since naka-ano tayo, naka-underwater mode, so sabi so tap and hold to exit. So, ito yung way to exit the underwater photography. Uy! At meron siyang speaker water rejection. So, yung tsura niya. Familiar na ako sa ganong technology, Galing. Very interesting to. Underwater photography. Yun ang maganda dito may feature. Kasi sabi nila, you can use the Vivo V50 sa underwater shots din. Galing. I guess that's it. The UI is very smooth. Maganda yung screen niya. Talaga durable daw siya, no? So that's it. The 27,999 or 30,999. Kuha na kayo, no? Available sa Vivo Store, Home Credit, Lazada, Shopee, TikTok Shop. At may isang logo na hindi ko makita, 0% interest daw. So, ayun. And that's it guys for our feature with Vivo V50. Thank you so much kay Vivo Philippines for the invite. At nakarating tayo dito sa Maybank at nakapag-event tayo. Nakita natin si Alden, si Encheng D, si Gretchen, ho, at marami pang iba. Alright, so thank you. At don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video, vlog, adventure. Nag-request na ako ng review unit nito. So, I'm very excited to use it for travel. Okay na okay din siya. Alright, see you!